So we back. We almost got the Razor MX650 done. It's a few more things we gotta do to it. And one of the things we gotta do to it that we gonna do tonight is we gonna fill the brake line. We will fill the brake line with brake oil. Because these brake lines, the brake line is dry, right? So it never had no oil in it or nothing because it's brand new. So I'm gonna show you an easy, simple way to do it. We're not gonna do it the regular old way. When you fill this up right here, this reservoir right here, and you squeeze the brake, let it go down and bleed through. Since it's a dry line, it's way harder to do. I tried it and it takes so long. So I've been doing a lot of research, and the best way you could do it, if you don't have a compressor machine to suck out the air and stuff like that, you could backfill it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna backfill these brakes. So you see we got the RMP brakes. Go to the back.
Okay.
The back, you see the back? We got it working. You see that? Boom. So it's working good enough. So now I'm gonna show you how I do it. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna get my brake oil. It might not be the right oil, it's .3, but you're supposed to use .4, but this is what I got. So I'm gonna pour my oil up in here. Make sure there's no dirt up in here. You can see it pouring up in there. So you see it, the oil poured up in there, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this little syringe. I'm gonna hook it up to this. Well, it's not a syringe, it's a little tube. I'm gonna hook it up to this tube. Just like that. Now I'm about to suck it full of oil. I gotta unclap this right here. Okay, now we'll suck it full of oil. Make sure it got no air bubbles in it, so I'm gonna suck it slow. Put some more. And then what we'll do, we already took the little piece off of right here. Let me show you the little piece. You see it? Go back up a little bit. So this little piece, we took it off of there. Screw it right here. And it stopped the oil. You're supposed to bleed it from this. You could bleed it from two different parts on this brake. So we got this piece, let me put it back up here so I won't move it. We'll screw it up in here. Screw it up on this. Fit up in there perfectly. Back up a little bit. Boom. Screw it on there real tight. Just like that. Turn this around. Alright. So now what we're gonna do, we gonna come over here to this side. Whoa, there. All right. So now we will squeeze the oil in here. So the oil is going into the brake line. See that? See right there? All the oil is going in. We'll stop right there, keep it locked. Oh, you see, like right here, it haven't came to the top yet. Come up so you can see up in there. But you hear all that air coming out. There was a lot of air, you could hear it coming out. So then we click it like this, boom, stop it, take this off. You see it? Take that off. Probably come over here for you to get a better little view. Well, yeah, it's more brighter. We get some more of this, some more of the brake fluid. Fill it up. This bowl we're gonna throw away. We're not gonna eat off this bowl because it got this brake oil in it. And they said that brake oil is really adhesive or whatever, is bad or something, I guess. Yep, whatever though. Boom. Put it back on here. Tighten it back. If you listen, you will hear it. Oh, shit was shooting up. That's what it was doing. Let me cover it up. It was shooting up. Come up over here so you can see that. So, you want to cover it up. Try to cover up the best you can for oil won't get everywhere. It's gonna look kind of crazy how I'm doing it, but that's all we got right now. All right, can you see that? Mm-hmm. Now watch it and let me know if it shoot up. I don't want it to shoot up. So I'm about to start injecting it. All right, you see it? Ooh! You see it shooting up?
A little bit.
So I gotta go slow. Look, it's filling up now. Can you see it? You see it filling up, or is it too dark?
I think I see it, yeah.
Come on the other side. Like, you see it's filling up? Can you see oil in it?
Yeah, I can see
coming
oil
up. Look, all the air coming out. Seems like to me it might be easier this way, man. All right, so it's filled. It's filled up, so come back over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clamp this right here, you see that? Clamp that back up. Take this off, hold this right up in here. Let me get this clamp. Screw this back off, it's gonna leak a little bit. That's all right. I'm gonna screw it on there fast. Boom, it's leaking fast. Bam, there we go. Put this back in the bowl right here. I thought I had. Okay, now come on. Do it. Then we'll tighten this back up. Real tight. Good. Now, we're gonna start bleeding the brain. So now what we're looking for right up in here, can you see? Let me see if I can fix the light. All right, there you go. So come over here. Be careful where you stepping. So can you see it now?
Yeah.
So now what we're looking for, no bubbles, right? So we're gonna have to pump it a few times and then we release. We'll pump it a few times and release until we see no bubbles up in here. So pump, you see? See, there's very few bubbles now. So we just keep pumping it up. See that? Very few bubbles. So you want to have it to where there's no bubbles. You want to be able to give it 10 pumps or 4 to 10 pumps with no bubbles. Then you come over here. You open this just a little bit. Let some of the air come out. You'll see it. See that bubble right there? Hope you see that. See that? Now a little bit coming out. Now we'll tighten it. Then we'll do the same thing again. Now this is a dry line, so it had no oil in it, no brake fluid in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, it's feeling good. Just open it just a little bit. And you got to make sure that you get no oil on your brakes, on your brake pads, or you gotta get new brake pads. So you gotta be careful. So boom. So there you go. So you just keep doing this, keep pumping it till you see no bubbles, and you're good to go. And then once you get it, once this oil start going down into the brake line and stuff like that, you could vibrate the brake line, the front brake line, vibrate it a little bit. See like this, show me vibrating it, tapping it like this, tapping it like this, tapping it, go back a little bit, come right here. Now you see me tapping it a little bit like that, back up some more. Tapping it like that, and come back right here. Right there. So you see that? It's very few bubbles coming out. So you just keep doing that, back up. So you just keep doing this process. Once you see no bubbles, then you finish, you're done. And your brakes is good. And then you can check your brakes out, they'll be grabbing, and you're good. That's it. It's an easier, faster way, because if you got dry brake lines, like you put on a whole new line or something like that, and then when you try to fill it from this way, up here, from this reservoir, it take all day, you know what I'm saying? So it's better to backfill it from the bottom down here, see down there, and it's gonna be faster. Like it took a minute. It took about probably 10 minutes, and we done. All right, so we out. Peace.